welcome back to Budgeting with Debbie. Today is going to be a quick coin counting video. I've got a new tub, as you can see. The boot, guys, sad times, the boot is no longer, it broke, it had to be put away. So I treated myself to a new little tub here. It was only cheap, it was about £5 from a local supermarket, and it's quite cute. It says saving for a rainy day. For those of you that are bothered, I saved about £90 last time, I think, when we did one of these videos, and I've either spent that money or it's been deposited into our bank account. August was a difficult month. We spent lots and lots of money, so we had to use all available cash. But we went to the seaside for a couple of days, so we used some of the coins in the arcades there and for treats and ice creams and things. So now we're back up to savings, and we're going to count what we've got in here so far. We're going to do a time lapse, so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, welcome back to the room. So I kept a tally of how much we had of each coin, so we'll just add it up. So we have got 9, 6, 10, 13, 15, 21, 26, carry the 2, 2, 6, 7, 11, 13, 19, carry the 1, 1, 2, 3. So we've got £39.69 in there so far. That's not bad. Way to go. Okay. So thanks for joining me with this video. Hoping to see this grow over the next couple of months. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.